Breaking: Court of Appeal stops reinstatement of Muhammadu Sanusi as Emir of Kano. What's going on? This Muhammadu Sanusi Emir of Kano thing, wow, different issues now you go dey hear. So who is now the Emir of Kano again? Is it the other man? Why did they stop his reinstatement? I thought they reinstated him before safe. So why are they stopping his reinstatement again as the Emir of Kano? Sanusi, it is well with you. The forces against you, they are so much. Because I don't understand. The Court of Appeal in Abuja has put a hold on the reinstatement of Alhaji Muhammadu Sanusi II as the Emir of Kano pending a Supreme Court ruling. Really? Here. Now, wow. A 3-member panel of justices led by Justice Okon Abang on Friday unanimously halted the implementation of the January 10 judgment that overturned the notifications of Sanusi's appointment. No be small thing. The ruling had been issued by Justice Gabriel Kolawole, who declared that the Kano State High Court and not the Federal High Court had jurisdiction over the chieftaincy dispute. Here. Now, wow. In fresh applications, CA/KN/27M/2025 and CA/KN/28M/2025, the Appellate Court found merit in the argument to halt enforcement of the reinstatement order until the Supreme Court delivers its verdict. Justice Abang emphasized that the court must act judiciously to protect the rights of the parties involved. He noted that the case needed preservation, as Sanusi has served as Emir for 5 years before his removal in 2020. If he has served for 5 years and so, it's not something that he has tenure now. He doesn't have tenure. He can be there till the day that he's old. It is emirship. It is not presidency. It is not governorship. So he can be there till the day he dies. So what are you saying, that he has already served for 5 years before his removal? So you people don't want him to go back because he has served for 5 years. When did that one begin? The controversy stems from a June 2024 ruling by the Federal High Court in Kano, presided over by Justice Abubakar Liman. That ruling nullified the Kano State Government's Kano Emirates Council Repeal Law 2024, which reinstated Sanusi II as the 16th Emir. The court also ordered all parties to maintain the status quo during the reign of Emir Ado Bayero. However, the Appellate Court has now ruled that the matter should have been heard by the Kano State High Court. So why did they take it to Federal High Court in the first place? Are you people confused? The Federal High Court that they took it to instead of Kano High Court. These people are confusing my head. Why take it to the Federal High Court in Kano? The people that they went to meet in Federal High Court, why can't they say, oh, this is not our jurisdiction, no? We cannot judge this matter here. Is it that they do not know? That they cannot judge the matter here? Oh, go to Kano State High Court or go to FCC High Court. That is where they can hear your matter. We don't have a say on this matter. And then you tell them to go. Why rule on the judge? Why? This country, we are confused though. And our lawyers and our judges, they are the confusionists. Because I do not understand how you know that a matter is not in your jurisdiction and then you give a ruling on the matter, causing confusions up and down. Can you imagine? They said that the matter should have been heard by the Kano State High Court or the FCC High Court, not the Federal High Court. So people did not know that one before. Federal High Court did not know that, oh, they are not supposed to judge on that matter. People are confusionists. It ordered the transfer of the pending suit and imposed a cost of 500,000 naira against the applicants Aminu Babadan Agonde in favor of the Kano State House of Assembly. However, despite differing opinions among justices, the Court of Appeal ultimately struck out Babadan Agonde's case at the Federal High Court. This country, a tired person, a lot is just going on. Can you just imagine? What is going on? Oh, wow. Patrick Obiajo says, those who sow in the weed are certain to reap the whirlwind. The disintegration of Nigeria is gradually taking shape. Rivers and Kano states will provide the platform. It is becoming very clear. Obviously. The two most powerful states, the two states that are, Kano is like the commercial state of the country and they have a lot of population. Rivers State is the oil and gas nation of the country. So those two states are very important and they are trying to just cause problems in those two states. Omega Ose comment says, exercise your electoral prerogative in favor of Article B. The release of Nnamdi Kanu is imminent. What are you people talking about? They are talking about Emir of Kano, you're talking about Atiku, people should be talking about the relevant thing that they're talking about. Evidence Joshua says a country rooted in politics rather than the well-being of the masses spells doom. In Nigeria of today, you can artificially remove your biological papa in court and tell you that he's no longer your papa. I'm telling you. The next is for you to now appeal to regain your papa. And if it is not obtained, your papa don't go be that. Now, so that's exactly what our court is doing. That's exactly what our judges are doing. You know that this matter is not in your jurisdiction. They brought it to you. You know the law better than those people that brought the case to you. You're supposed to tell them that, oh, no, I'm sorry, we cannot judge this matter here. It's either you take it to Kano State High Court or you take it to Federal Capital Territory High Court. And not this place. They know. But the Federal High Court collected the case, collected money, ruled. God, this country is annoying. It is so annoying. Simon Nakolo says Sanusi's detriment was done in disrespect to court order at the first place. Now that he's reinstated against court order that it is a balanced equation, Sanusi remains the Emir of Kano. Abi? That is the person that the people of Kano want as their Emir. This is not politics now. This is kingship. It's like he's the king. So saying that he has been Emir of Kano for 5 years before his removal, that does not mean anything. He can be there for 20 years. He can be there for 50 years if God gives him long life. He can be there forever till he dies. So I don't understand. Why you are saying that, oh, you are not going to reinstate him. Now, wow, things are happening in this country. Aderemi Kayode says the royal battle in the city of Kano is nothing but politics or supremacy. Only the solution is through the family settlement. If not, another administration will install another emir when the power changes in 2027. It is well. It is really well. Ezenwacha said judiciary will destroy Nigeria if not checked in time. They are already destroying it. They are already on the mission to destroy Nigeria. It is getting really bad. It is getting really bad. Like these people are doing all this kind of thing and people are not saying anything about it. What is wrong with our judicial system? I don't understand. David Ibrahim Adejo says Tinubu is using the candidate to take over Kano for his 2027, just as he's using Wike to take over Rivers State for 2027. Exactly. OBD has described Buhari and Tinubu government to be the worst government in Nigeria. They will fail. Amen. All their plans will fail. Can you imagine? Maros Akawuba says Nigeria and its criminal justice system. Now, so justice. There's no justice in this country. Our judiciary are just doing anything they like. They're just misbehaving. It is well, My listeners, over to you. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe. Thank you for listening. See you some other time. Bye.